What up, y'all? Welcome to my Ninetails contacts unboxing video. So if you want to see me struggle as always, skip to the timestamp that's going to be on the screen now. If not, stick around and watch the whole video. I'd really appreciate it. And thank you to Pinky Paradise for sending me these contacts. If you want to know where to get a pair just like these, the link will be in the description below. Thank you for watching, and let's have a fun unboxing. What's going on, y'all? It's Big West here. So today we have a brand new contacts lens unboxing. I realize I've been shying away from everyone who's not an Uchiha, so we're going to switch things up today and give attention to the main character of the show, the namesake. We're going to do some Naruto, actual Naruto contacts today. So today we're doing the Ninetails, like just when he first gets Ninetails mode, no Sage mode, no nothing, just literally the Ninetails eyes when he freaks out and he gets all red. So I'm excited about these ones. These are like Naruto's like first ever kind of transformation. So this is like actually a big deal in terms of the show. So without further ado, let's get this unboxing going. Now this is the package that it comes in, not too big. Kind of open it up already just to see what's inside because I got a couple of these coming. So first thing, little carrying case as always. Not as always, but these are some good ones. So a little blue thing there. The actual contacts will be here, but for that, just another little rewards thing showing you how to put on contacts, all of that, just an example and instruction manual here. And that's basically everything you get inside of this packaging. Oh yeah, once again, this is from Pinky Paradise. These guys are amazing. Worked with them tons of times, really high quality contacts. So thank you to Pinky Paradise for sending me these contacts. And so now we'll actually get into looking at the actual contacts. It's been a while since I've done one of these. It is bundled up nice and safe. And here are the two vials that come inside. So I'm gonna try and peel some of the tape off just so you guys can get a good look at what they actually look like. Alright guys, so I got most of the sticker off, so you guys should be able to see. It's not really agreeing with me getting in front of the camera, but there you go. Here's a good point of view. So once again, these are like the eyes that Naruto has when he first goes into his tail beast mode, when he just has like the tails kind of popping out, not when he's full on Kurama chakra mode and he's, you know, doing tail beast bombs. Now this is early like part 1 Naruto, some parts of part 2. Alright, so I'm going to put the contacts in solution for 24 hours as always, just to be safe, and then I will try them on tomorrow, and then we will really get to see how they look. So I will be back in 24 hours and we'll get this going. What up, y'all? I'm back. So we have the contacts right here in the solution. They've been chilling for about 24 hours. So I'm going to put them in my eyes now. Can't wait to get this going. So just one more thing I want to say beforehand. These are technically listed on their website as the red cat eyes, but this is for cosplay purposes. Like, this is as close as it gets. Like, I haven't found anywhere that literally makes Ninetails contact eyes, but this will give the desired effect. So without further ado, let's get into this. Alright, so I got one eye in. This is really comfortable. Don't really even notice it. Yeah, it looks sick, just like the one red slit. So let's see how it really looks. Right now, until I get close, it kind of just looks like a regular eyeball. So let's get the second one in and see what we see. Alright guys, so we got both contacts in. They were like seamless. That was probably like the best I've ever got them in. Like not a million tries, one try each. And yeah, so let's just like come in close so you guys can see it. So this is the left eye. One thing to note with these contacts that are like online, like they will drift and stuff. You can already see them kind of drifting. So this is the left eye. That looking all over the place. This is the right eye. Same deal, just gotta adjust it a little. But I'm really pleased with how these look. It's just simple, whatever. These aren't even like as aggressive as a Sharingan. Looking from far, it just kind of looks like my eyes are red, but when you get in close, you're like, okay, like yeah, the slits, Ninetails eyes. So as I always do, I'm gonna do the vision test now just so you guys can tell I'm able to read and see with these on. So let's just get into reading some of the comments on the last video. Bro, please go with the Sharingan contacts in public to see people, their reaction. I guess he's just saying like, yeah, I should wear these out and so people can react. If you guys want me to do that, let me know in the comments. I want to see a lot of it and I will actually consider doing it, getting a live reaction. Your new intro should be, my name is Big Wes and you're under my genjutsu. That's kind of heavy stuff, I might have to teeth that. He looks more like a ghoul. Actually, yeah, that one, those last contacts, because it's black sclera and it's red, it looks a lot like Tokyo Ghoul, so I can definitely see that. The intro equals pure evil. Thank you, I actually worked a lot on that. I was hoping it came out well, so I'm glad that you guys liked that. Please give away your Sharingan eyes, please, to me. Well, you guys, like I said, I got that contest going on, so make sure you enter, subscribe. The rules are in the video. They'll be on the screen now, so go check that one out if you want to win some Sharingan contacts. But yeah, guys, as you can see, I can see perfectly with these. Yeah, these are really cool contacts. The only downside, I say, like they drift every now and then, but like that's just to be expected. Like they're not, like your eye is round, it's not gonna stay perfectly there the whole time. So that's just all I'm gonna say on that. And guys, the very last thing, I'm just gonna take them out, let you guys see how I do that. And they're out. So if you like these contacts, let me know. Let me know what contacts you want to see next. Like and share this video. Share it with a Naruto fan or anyone who likes to cosplay. And subscribe. Ring the bell too. You don't want to miss out. I got brand new videos coming out all the time. And I love doing this fun stuff for you guys. So once again, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it so much. Peace out.